same leg but your arm. Kailangan natin i-move yung arm. Yes. Dalawa. Knee up. You fold your back. When you fold your back, okay, just cross. Cross. Kasi ang impact niya, yung oblique natin. Start. Okay, go.